this is the probability of simple events. This is that one thing is going to happen and that you understand the probability of that. There are 25 students in grade 7, 15 are boys and the other are girls. A student is represented for a field trip at random. What is the probability? This P outside of girl means the probability of girl. And so 15 are boys, so that makes 10 girls. 10 out of the total. And that's what probability is. It's what you want to happen out of the total number of possible outcomes. The total possible outcomes is 25. You want to select a girl at random. So you could simplify this, divide by 5 and divide by 5. You could also multiply this and get it to 100 times 4 times 4, and that would be 4 hundredths or 40 hundredths or 4 tenths. 4 tenths. You could also write that as a percent. And then the probability of not a girl, this is called the complement. It's that either this is going to happen or this is going to happen. And the complement, you subtract from 1 and 10 25ths. And so you'd want to change that to 25ths over 25ths minus 10 25ths equals 15 25ths, which is really just the number of boys. So the complement of a girl is a not girl, so it is a boy, and that's 15 over 25. Well, you won't always have that number, so that's why you need to know it is from 1, and that is called the complement. And then, of course, this can be simplified to 3/5. That's 6 tenths, so 0.6 and 60%. And the probability of something happening and not happening is 100%. So a fair die is rolled. What are the possible outcomes? Well, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What's the probability of less than 3? These are the numbers less than 3, so that's 2 out of 6, which simplifies to 1/3. The probability of greater than 5 is one number out of 6, and not 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 6. 5 out of 6. And again, you could change these to decimals. You could change them to percents. You can see that the complement to not 1 is 1, and that is 1/6. 1 minus 5/6, so 6 over 6 minus 5/6 equals 1/6. So that gives you an idea of simple probability. You might have a gumball machine or marbles that you're pulling out. This one says a gumball machine contains 10 red gumballs, 10 red, 17 yellow, and 14 orange. Okay, the first thing I'm going to want to do is add all these up to see how many total I have. So it's 11 and 4, 41 total. Okay, because my probability is always out of the total. And it says, what is the probability the next gumball comes out will be neither red nor yellow? So neither red nor yellow. So that means orange. So that's 14 is what I want to happen out of the total 41. Total outcomes. And this is the probability of orange. Not yellow, not red. So I hope that helps you understand simple probability or probability of simple events. Just one thing happening, not two. Just taking the what you want to happen out of the total number of outcomes.